3 days left until AIA 2.0 launches for everyone. It is literally going to be a day that changes the publishing community forever, and I seriously mean that with zero exaggeration, not an ounce of exaggeration in my bones.
None.
Okay?
Nope.
But that's not what we're talking about in this video. What we're talking about in this video is the best way to make passive income or just money online with literally $0 and 0 cents. It's something we've been doing for a long time. It's publishing. You publish books and you make money. We've been doing it since 2016, but it's really just recently where we realized that like you could easily do this shit completely for free and make shitloads of money with it. Mm-hmm. Like there is not another business model in the world that can like even get close to how much money you can generate with $0 and 0 cents up front. Amazon FBA, you gotta buy tons of inventory. Dropshipping, you gotta buy fucking domains. They're not expensive, but you gotta buy some more inventory, and there's a bunch of expenses that go into it. And I don't even know what other online businesses people are getting into these days, other than dropshipping and FBA.
Affiliate marketing.
That still requires getting a website.
Yeah.
And you gotta pay like 24 months up front, like $200 to host it.
But
Things
what
like that.
makes publishing different is that you're making assets that then pay you for the rest of your life. You're doing all the work up front that will pay you, and they will pay you for the rest of your life. Like we don't even feel the effects now of the books. They're gonna make money
3 years down the line.
3 years down the line, 10 years down the line.
Yeah.
And there's really no other business like that. That's why the ROI long term, I don't know, it would be similar to be like investing in property. Everyone says that's like the best business decision,
make money
financial decision you can make
for yourself.
Like
20 years down
invest
the line.
in real estate or invest in anything because it'll just pay you consistently long term, so you're set for the future. And that's exactly what publishing does. No other online business does that.
For me, I have multiple books that I published in August 2016. It's now 2019, June, and I've made money from it this month, 3 years later. Literally 3 years later, having done nothing since August, I've made money this month.
Of 2016.
Since 2016.
Yeah.
Okay, I haven't done nothing.
Here we are 2019, and those books are still making money.
Right, but what we're talking about is how to do it without spending any money. So I don't know a business where you can, like I said, literally spend zero money and then put this product on the internet and actually make sales. Like you could put a bunch of shit on the internet and make no sales.
Yeah.
But put it on the internet and make like sales, proper sales with no money in marketing either. So it's all organic. Every single step in the process is free. Okay? Shall we walk you through it?
Every single step in the process can be made free, but this
Right.
is something that people don't talk about.
Yeah, okay.
This is literally the only place where you're going to hear this said. It's saying publish for free and you can do it easily. And here's how.
So people looking for the best way to get started online, making money with no money, no, not one other person in the world will tell you what we're about to tell you. And this is like super, super relevant for most people because I know our audience. I know what we used to be. And most people like have very little money to put into a business because you're a teenager, you're early 20s, you know, most people are just struggling because that's what it is, working a 9-to-5 life. And that's okay. So that makes just this topic extremely, extremely important. So let's get into it. Like we said, it's publishing. It is where you create a book and you publish it on the internet and people purchase it from you and you get paid a percentage of that known as royalties. And then that's what you keep. Mm-hmm. That's what you take home. And you can make that entirely for free extremely easily.
So there's 3 main expenses that go with publishing a book. One is book writing, so the creation of the content of the book itself. You have your book cover, and then narration of the audiobook. Now,
because you want to turn that shit into an audiobook.
Obviously. Now, there's small things like formatting,
book description,
formatting, stuff like that.
Book description, you're obviously doing that shit yourself.
Yeah, that's easy to do yourself. So we won't even cover how to do that because it's pretty simple. Mm-hmm. But it comes the writing, the cover, and the narration. Those are the 3 big ones. And
can all easily be done for free. And when you put it on the internet and spend zero money on ads, like you will make sales if you know what you're doing. Mm-hmm. And we'll cover that at the end.
I think let's start with the cover and narration just because they're more simple. We can get through this easily, and then we'll talk about the writing side of things.
Yes.
And go in depth on that. But let's start with the book cover. Now, I know for a long time, Christian and I have said, just just spend the $10 to get a professional book cover made. And I don't disagree with that. But
no.
for the purpose of this video, we're talking $0
And 0 cents.
and 0 cents. And we have had our eyes open to this website where you can honestly make like epic, like really good book covers, better than I've seen
Anyone can.
on Fiverr. You make really good book covers yourself. So let's just quickly go over that for free. Okay. And that's using Canva.com.
So we're inside the screen right now real quick. We will leave a link below, not just to Canva, but they have a book cover section of Canva where they literally have, look, I'm going to show you right here on the left-hand side. Watch me scroll. They have hundreds of book cover templates, like really good ones. Look, the scrolling doesn't stop. How many book cover templates are there? Hundreds.
Between 500, 600, 700,
Look.
800, that region.
And I want to show quickly how easy it is to make a book cover. You click on it. If we had fast internet, there it is. It populates right here, and you can literally put like, this is a
Keto guide.
this is a gun cookbook.
Gun cookbook.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. But then you could change the image, move that up. It's made by frickin' Leo Wally. And then you put your subtitle there, and then there's a million freaking templates here for book covers. Okay. So that's how you get a super high quality book cover made entirely for free. You could do it in 5 minutes, literally. Canva's crazy.
I'd suggest spending 30 minutes just to make sure it's really good.
But we just recently learned about this, and my mind was blown by what you can make from this. Okay, so book cover easy, like we just showed you how easy that was. Canva 100% free. Next, let's talk about audiobook narration. Now, we pay narrators to narrate our audiobooks. Okay, we pay them money, but there is an option on ACX, which is where you are publishing your audiobooks to, where it's called a royalty split, where the narrator will narrate your audiobook entirely for free in exchange for 50% of the royalties lifetime. Now, is that a shitty deal? Fuck yeah, it's a shitty deal. You're going to lose a lot of money because they're taking 50% just to narrate your audiobook. But it's free. If you don't have any money, what are you going to do? You can't pay them something you don't have. So $0 and 0 cents come out of your pocket to have this made.
Yeah.
Boom, audiobook made. Now those are the two easy ones. Like those are the there's like nothing more to say on that.
Yeah,
there's literally nothing more to say on it. Now onto the last component of a book, which is just the written content of the book itself. Now, when we tell you to go write a book, that is probably pretty intimidating. That seems like a daunting task. And I would agree with you, it probably is. Because a traditional book is going to be 50,000 words long, would take you 12 months to write. At least that's what people think.
Yeah, it's really funny. We've been talking to people lately just about book publishing. Like, oh yeah, I'm going to write my own book. Oh, okay, that's awesome. And like, yeah, I expect to be done in around the summer of 2021. Okay.
Like, what? That's in 2 years.
That's 2 years from now. Why in the world is it going to take 2 years to write your book?
Yeah.
Like, people think that that's what it takes. Like, it's this massive project that has to take a long time.
Yeah, it was planted in their, a seed was planted in their head saying this is a 1 to 2 year project.
This is a mindset, mental approach.
100%.
Thing.
Okay, so let me quickly explain.
What if I told you you have 1 month to write this book that
Yeah.
you plan to come out in 2 years?
Then you could do it. It's also about priorities. Like, you want to write a book, but people just won't fucking work on it. Okay, but let's say you want to write a book that's 50,000 words long. That's like a real book, 250 pages ish. Okay, if you write 5,000 words a day, that book is done in 10 days. Now 5,000 words is a lot. You're just writing all day for 10 days straight. But boom, there's your 2-year project done in 10 days. Okay? But what we're talking about, we're not saying go out and write 50,000 word books.
Not anyone can just do that. That's hard. Like, I could do it.
Oh yeah.
It would be a massive task for me.
I would never,
and I wouldn't ever do that.
I would never expect anyone to do that and tell you this is how you make money. Yeah, well, only a small fraction of us can actually do that. No, that's not what we're saying. What we think you should do to make this like an easy way to make money with $0 and 0 cents is you're writing these books that are 3,000 to 5,000 words long, which can easily be written in a week or less. Easily. Even if you have a full-time job, even if you're going to school, you could write that shit in a week or less.
Yeah.
All right. So these are short books. That is a short book. That's like a long blog post. But they make long audiobooks. Now, I'm not going to say much more on that topic because we have multiple videos talking about it. I will link like a 15-minute video that we made talking exactly what we're talking about. How to make these short books that you can create in a few days that make long audiobooks that people are dying to buy from you,
Yeah.
and actually are super valuable and people will enjoy.
Yeah. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking like, okay, I really want to do this. This is great, but I want you guys to tell me what to do. I still have to do this. Like I don't know what to do. The value in this video is us making you aware of this opportunity and then telling you go out and fucking do it.
Yeah.
I can't do the work for you or write the book for you. Now we can give you directions into like what does this kind of book
That's
look like
another
when you write
video.
it. That's what
Boom.
that video is for.
We won't expand more on it in this one.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have a lot of people who approach us. They're like, oh, we're in publishing. We've made some money with publishing. We've shown others how to make money with publishing. They come to us like, guys, I want to make some money. I don't have any money. Show me how to make money. And then we tell them exactly this because they'll tell us, hey, I don't have much money to work with. Like,
Well-
okay. Investing in ghostwriters requires some investment.
Yeah. We're dozens of people at this point that we've told
Yes,
do this.
yes.
We're dozens of people.
And then we tell them exactly what we're opening up about in this video. I gave them like a strategy plan completely. Like make a series of books about this and this and this. And all but one has not executed on it.
And
Only one person has actually executed on it. And funny enough, I'll put up a screenshot of what they've done.
He wrote, I don't know how long he spent, about 3 months.
Yeah, let's
or
just-
a few months writing these books.
This could be on the screen and you could read it. But yeah, he spent a few months writing some books, and then 3 months later, he made nearly $7,000 in audiobook royalties.
In 1 month is
Yeah.
what I want to keep saying. In 1 month. The next month, he probably made 5,000. The month after, he made some blah, 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 blah.
Yeah.
Like, he made, from these books, tens of thousands of dollars down the line.
Now,
Tens of thousands of dollars.
yes. Now, this is what we truly believe to be the best way to make money online, or whatever you want to call it, passive income, with $0 and 0 cents. And then comes, like you were saying, oh, but that's a lot of hard work. Yeah, motherfucker, it is. Now, I won't do the hard work rant. I've done it. I enjoy doing them, but I'll save it. Yes, it is work. But we gave you the entire framework that you need to get started with no money and be able to scale that shit fast.
One last thing. The man holding the camera right now, his name's Dane. We're getting him started on this. He's going to be the project to show you guys that, like, what we're talking about. So he's going to spend no money on covers narration, and he's going to write
No.
everything
He's
himself.
going to spend on narration.
Okay, he's going to spend money on narration because we don't fuck with royalty splits like that.
Yeah.
As much as we want to show you guys it costs nothing, it's not worth all the lost money. We're going to spend the money on narrations, but he's going to write everything himself, and we're going to show you guys in a few months the kind of results he's had that you could have had, or maybe you will have those if you take action.
My goal for Dane is to have 30 books written in 6 to 7 weeks and then 15 bundles made out of that. As crazy as that sounds, I know Dane can do it because he works really hard, and then we'll have a framework laid out exactly how to execute on it. And then we'll see how that it's going to create crazy results down the line.
Yeah.
If you have 45 audiobooks, that's so many. You have no choice but to make hella sales. Anyway, let's stop. If you want to learn more about publishing, or if you want our guidance on this, like our full undivided attention and guidance for you, like we dedicate ourselves to your publishing success. Essentially, if you want to learn more, click the link in the bio. In 3 days, it'll be live.
Yeah.
Is what I'm. Yeah. So when the course launches on June 30th, it will be live. Otherwise, it'll say coming soon. But if you're watching this video after that, click that link to learn more about publishing if you don't know much about it, because publishing really is this fucking incredible online business that most people don't know about. Everyone's in e-commerce, FBA, dropshipping, all these other ones where like 99% of people are struggling.
But we're just in the background, no one's talking about us, and we're just doing good, making money.
Yeah. Okay. So that's basically what we want to say in this video. That was some value packed fire.
Emoji the video.
Let's see. Dane, what's the emoji of the day? Umbrella. Can we do umbrella?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta get your umbrellas out.
You gotta protect yourself from all this profit that's about to rain on us.
Yeah. Okay.
that's
So,
stupid.
thanks for watching the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in a video tomorrow.